In midlife, changes in the body are completely natural. The waist becomes softer, the hips rounder, the thighs fuller. These are not flaws, but traces of time and lived experience. Wide leg pants do not try to force the body to look slim the way it did in youth. Instead, they allow the body to breathe. The wide cut creates the space a woman needs to walk naturally, sit comfortably, and move through the day without tension or restriction. They conceal imperfections without hiding them, offering comfort from the inside out. And it is precisely this kindness toward the body that marks the starting point of sustainable fashion. To put it lightly, at this age, getting dressed is about living comfortably, not about holding your breath all day. However, comfort only becomes complete when it is paired with presence and character. Wide leg pants without an elegant top can easily look too casual, almost like loungewear. But with just one well-cut blouse, clean lines, a refined neckline, properly fitted shoulders, the entire look transforms instantly. An elegant top draws the eye upward, toward the face and overall expression, where confidence truly shows. It creates a polished impression without unnecessary effort, and most importantly, it allows the wearer to feel confident without having to prove anything to anyone. Midlife women are most beautiful not when they try to look younger, but when they radiate calmness, dignity, and a clear sense of who they are. An elegant top is the silent language of that confidence. Monochromatic color palettes are what make this formula especially powerful. It is not bright colors that make someone look younger, nor is it many colors that define true style. Shades within the same color family, such as beige, cream, milk brown, olive green, light gray, navy, or ivory. They elongate the silhouette and soften the visual impression. When pants and tops stay within the same tonal range, the body appears more cohesive, taller, and more streamlined. For midlife women, tonal dressing conveys a sense of elegance, cleanliness, and understated luxury, even when the outfit itself is very simple. This is beauty without noise, the kind of beauty that feels more pleasant the longer you look. More importantly, this is a formula that never goes out of style. Trends may change with seasons and years, but good structure always remains. Wide leg pants have existed for decades. Elegant tops have never disappeared from the wardrobes of mature women. Tonal color dressing has always been the choice of those who do not chase the crowd. By choosing this combination, midlife women do not need to shop constantly or worry whether something will still be wearable next year. Simply changing fabrics with the seasons, adjusting thickness or small details, allows these pieces to remain relevant for many years. Fewer items, but better choices. Simpler, yet longer lasting. That is the true spirit of sustainable fashion. In the end, wide leg pants, elegant tops, and monochromatic colors are not just about clothing. They reflect the lifestyle mindset of modern midlife women. They no longer dress to impress, but to live with ease, confidence, and autonomy. This way of dressing quietly tells the world that they understand their bodies, have nothing to prove, and choose what feels right over what feels exhausting. And it is precisely this calm choice that creates a beauty that is deep, enduring, and deeply admirable. To wear wide leg pants elegantly, women should keep 5 key points in mind. First, wide leg pants free the body instead of fighting age. In midlife, physical changes are normal. The waist softens. The hips round out. The thighs become fuller. Wide leg pants do not try to force the body to look slim. They move with it. Their width creates breathing room for the figure. They hide imperfections without concealment. They allow women to walk, sit, and move freely without restriction. This is an act of kindness toward oneself, and sustainable fashion begins right there. Light-heartedly speaking, at this age, clothes are meant for comfort, not for holding your breath all day. Second, an elegant top creates the anchor of presence for the entire outfit. Wide-leg pants without an elegant top can easily look like homeware, but with a blouse that has a clean silhouette, refined neckline, and well-fitted shoulders, the whole aura changes instantly. An elegant top does three things very well. It draws attention upward to the face and expression. It creates a polished look without excess. And most importantly, it gives confidence without the need for explanation. Midlife women look their best, not when they try to appear younger, but when they radiate calm confidence and self-awareness. An elegant top is the silent language of that state. Third, monochromatic colors are the strongest anti-aging tool. Youth does not come from bright colors, and style does not come from many colors. A monochrome outfit, such as beige wide-leg pants with a creamy white top and ivory shoes, feels light, brightens the complexion, and suits elegant daytime wear, creating a clean and elongated look. Milk brown wide-leg pants paired with a caramel top and mocha shoes feel warm, gentle, and flattering, offering softness and an understated sense of luxury. Light grey wide-leg pants with a heather grey top and smoky grey shoes feel refined and modern, suitable for both work and leisure. Olive wide-leg pants with a light moss top and khaki shoes feel subdued yet elegant, especially beautiful in linen or textured cotton. Navy wide-leg pants with a navy blue top and ink blue shoes feel structured and polished, a lighter alternative to black. Ivory wide-leg pants with an ivory top and soft champagne shoes feel bright but not harsh, ideal for occasions that call for purity and freshness. Grige wide-leg pants with a grage top and taupe shoes feel neutral, modern, and effortlessly versatile, perfect for women who favor long-term minimalism. Earth brown wide-leg pants with a cool brown top and chocolate shoes feel grounded and mature, offering excellent figure balance. Blue-grey wide-leg pants with a stone blue top and smoky blue shoes feel calm and refined, keeping the overall look light and neat. Dusty rose wide-leg pants with a blush nude top and rose beige shoes feel gently feminine without being overly sweet, softening the face and creating a discreetly youthful effect. All of these palettes achieve the same intelligent goal. They lengthen the silhouette and calm the visual field. When pants and tops stay within the same tonal range, the body looks more continuous, taller, and more streamlined. For midlife women, monochromatic dressing creates a sense of elegance, cleanliness, and understated luxury, even when the outfit is extremely simple. This is beauty without noise, beauty that becomes more pleasing the longer you look. Fourth, this is a timeless formula. Trends change, but strong structure remains. Wide-leg pants have existed for decades. Elegant tops never disappear. Tonal colors are chosen by those who do not chase crowds. With this combination, midlife women do not need to shop every season or worry whether something will still work next year. Changing fabrics, adjusting thickness, or refining small details is enough to wear these pieces for many years. That is the definition of sustainable fashion. Fewer items, but better choices. Simpler, yet longer lasting. Fifth, this formula reflects the modern midlife woman's way of living. Today's midlife women no longer dress to impress. They dress to live lightly, confidently, and with intention. This combination tells the world, I understand my body. I don't need to prove anything. I choose what fits, not what exhausts me. If you are in midlife and still wonder each morning what to wear to feel light and look beautiful, try returning to wide leg pants, elegant tops, and a monochromatic palette. This is not dressing to follow trends, but dressing to walk a long road with yourself. If these thoughts resonate with you, please like the video, share it with a friend of the same age, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can continue learning how to dress beautifully in a gentle, sustainable, and peaceful way every day.